So welcome students. In this question you are asked to solve this differential equation. This is a second order differential equation. But this is a very simple differential equation. The solution is very straightforward. So the second differential is e power minus 2x. So if you integrate this once, so how can I write this? This can be written as d by dx of dy by dx is equal to e power minus 2x. So if I send this dx onto this side, if I send this dx here and integrate it on both sides, so I get dy by dx is equal to the integration of e power minus 2x is e power minus 2x by minus 2 plus some integration constant, e power minus 2x by minus 2 plus c. Now the next stage, again send this dx here, and again if you integrate this, you get y is equal to e power minus 2x by, if you integrate this, you get 4 this time, you get another minus 2 in the denominator, plus cx plus another integration constant. So you get two arbitrary constants because this is a second order differential equation. So this will be the final answer to this question. Y is equal to e power minus 2x by 4 plus cx plus d. Thank you.